back with another Azza case. This one here is the Apollo 430, and I got it because I needed a bigger case for a GPU that I ordered, which we'll be putting into this case today. So we're going to have a look at the Apollo case, and then we're going to build in it, and we'll check it out after the build. So this is a mid-tower case. It's a larger case. It can hold up to a 370mm graphics card. So I'm hoping that the thick 3 will fit in here. I got the white and orange edition because I find the white interiors really show off parts very well. I have a thing for it. So get rid of the side of the packing. The case. So this is a larger mid-tower, and I think it's going to function well. What I was really curious about was the front airflow when I ordered this case, because it doesn't talk about it much and doesn't really look like there's any front airflow on it. So we're going to have a look right now. You got an RGB strip, comes down here, and then for airflow, yeah, not much for airflow. I think it sucks a little air from in and around here, but it's definitely not efficient airflow from the front. But then on top we do have a spot here for a 240 or 280mm rad, or 2 fans that'll help exhaust the air out. As well on top, 2 USB 3.0 ports, headphone, microphone, reset button, power button, and a dead button. It's just a I cut it for a button, but no button. Coming around the back side, has Azza learned? They have finally learned. There is no more snap outs on this case. They actually have screws, so you can add and remove your expansion slots as necessary, which is nice. Thankfully they finally done that. That included 120mm hurricane fan, bottom mount PSU, coming around to the front side. Nice tempered glass. You got the PSU shroud, 2 spots for SSD. Let's see how well the tempered glass stays on. No. So on this cap screw, the socket or the nut came out with it as well. So just have to remember to put that one back where it goes. All screws are out. Glass, nice thick glass. Now that we have it opened up, 2 SSD trays. Looks like we can have 2 more SSDs here on the other side. And along here, spot for a fan for 3 120s. It does have its own filter, which we'll find out in a second. Let's see what the front coming off. front panel popped off. Heavier than I expected. It's a solid piece of metal. So this just hinges inside here. Just slot goes in. Filter for your fans. Doesn't have nice fitment. There's 2 rubber blocks that go in there, I guess, to keep this from shaking, or maybe it's just for shipping, I don't know. But they just fell out and they don't have any stickiness on them. Go ahead and take the side panel off. So the solid panel cover has different cap screws. They're a little shorter, a little thicker. Side panel. And swing it around this side. Bag of screws. 2 3.5 inch hard drive trays, and filter for your PSU. So there's a quick overview of the Azza Apollo 430, and we're going to jump into building it and upgrading my graphics card to the XFX Thick 3 5700 XT. So let's start on that, and we'll see you there.